Hey guys, this is Deepankar back with another video, and today I have a new earphone to review. This is boAt Rockerz 275. This is a neckband style earphone. Notable features include magnetic lock, Bluetooth 4.1 CSR 8635 chip, IPX5 rating, up to 10 hours of music playback claim, and built-in microphone. I will tell you everything about this earphone, but before that, let me show you the unboxing. This is the earphone. I will talk about it later. And here you see several things. This is the micro USB cable to charge this earphone. And here are extra ear tips. These are few papers including user guide and some promotional material. So these are the only things you will get inside the box of boAt Rockerz 275. boAt Rockerz 275 is a neckband style earphones, so you will have to put it around your neck and it feels virtually weightless. It never slips at any side. Neckband is made of rubber but sides have plastic inside the rubber coating. It is extremely flexible and feels durable. At the right side, it has 3 buttons including play or pause, volume up and volume down. Along with these buttons, there is also a small LED notification light. The same side has micro USB port for charging. This port has a rubber cover, but that is too tight and very hard to open. It irritates me a lot, so I avoid it closing properly. The ear tips are connected through a thick wire that feels good in quality. The ear tips fit properly and never come out of ears. You also get extra ear tips, so you are most likely to get the perfect fitting. Ear tips also got magnet at the back to lock them together. In this way, they will not hang around to interrupt you in any way. The earphones is also IPX5 rated for sweat and water resistant design, so you can comfortably use it during workout or rain. But make sure the micro USB cover is properly closed. If I talk about the technical things, the earphones feature Qualcomm CSR 8635 chipset. It has 12mm of drivers, impedance is of 32 ohm, frequency response range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and 150 mAh battery. The music experience is really good as the music is clear and loud. Even on the full volume, it performs well. The bass is also good, but not as good as you get in the wired earphones of this price range. Overall, I am impressed with its music experience. It offers almost isolated environment. When you are listening to music with these earphones, you will not get any kind of disturbance from the surroundings. You can use volume up and volume down button for next and previous songs by long pressing. This works well with all the music streaming apps I use. The microphone also works well. When you get incoming calls, the neckband vibrates to notify you about the call. You can put on the ear tips and press the play or pause button to receive the call. It also features dual pairing, so you can pair it with 2 devices at the same time. If you are listening to music on one paired device and you receive call on second paired device, it will automatically switch to second device for the call. After the call, it will be back to play song from the first device. This is really helpful feature. Pair it with your phone and laptop both. When you are listening to songs or watching movie on the laptop, you will never miss any incoming call. It packs 150 mAh battery that performs great. I was getting around 10 hours of battery usage. If you listen to music on low volume, this could be even better. Even when it starts notifying you about the low battery, you can still enjoy the music for next 20 minutes. So the battery life of these earphones is really excellent and impressive. It also takes around 2 hours in fully charging. That's it for boAt Rockerz 275. It really impresses with its music experience and battery life. If you are comfortable with neckband style earphone, you should also consider this if you are looking for good earphones of this price segment. For Rs 2500, I recommend these earphones. That's it from my side. If you still have anything to ask, you can always leave it in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.